In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt in ClickUp. Gantt is one of the most effective ways to plan and track work over time. It turns your tasks into a visual timeline, so you can see what's happening, when it's due, and how everything lines up across your project. If you're managing deadlines, dependencies, or team capacity, this view gives you a clear, big picture schedule at a glance. First, head to ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the right workspace and have access to the projects you want to view. Gantt works best when your tasks already have start and due dates, so keep that in mind as you move through the steps. Next, click on your space. In ClickUp, a space is a high-level container for related work, like a department or a major initiative. Choosing the right space helps you narrow the scope of what you'll see on the timeline and keeps the view focused on the relevant projects and teams. Now, open your board or list inside that space. A board shows tasks as cards grouped by status, while a list is a more traditional, structured view. Either one is a great starting point. You're simply choosing the location that holds the tasks you want to visualize on the Gantt chart. If your project is organized into folders and lists, pick the list that contains the tasks with dates you care about. At the top of your screen, click on View. This is where you can switch between different ways of looking at the same work, like list, board, calendar, and more. If your view bar is crowded, you may need to expand or scroll it to see all available options. From the view options, click on Gantt. ClickUp will open a timeline next to a task panel. On the left, you'll see your tasks in hierarchy. On the right, each task appears as a horizontal bar stretched across its start and due dates. If a task doesn't have dates, it won't show on the timeline until dates are added. Use the timescale to zoom from months to weeks or days for more detail, and use the fit or today controls to recenter your timeline quickly. As you review your schedule, look for gaps, overlaps, and potential bottlenecks. The Gantt view makes it easy to spot tasks that are crowding the same week or slipping past their targets. You can also group or filter tasks to focus on a team, a status, or a priority, which helps when you're preparing reports or stand-up updates. That's it. You've opened the Gantt view in ClickUp and set yourself up to plan smarter and communicate timelines with confidence.